talk new changes in CPT 2021 surgery coding. Now, if you are planning to sit for a CPC exam this year, do not sleep on any changes to your current year CPT book. They are fair game in the testing environment, so stay tuned. I'm Clarice Warner, the girl with the pearls, the founder and education director of the Professional Reimbursement Network, LLC, where coding education is key. And on this channel, I provide you with information, tips, and strategies on how to become a certified marketable medical coder. As a result of my straightforward strategies, tips, and optimistic approach to education and learning, I've helped hundreds of students become certified medical coders who have developed dynamic careers in the business of healthcare and are valuable resources in their own right. Subscribe to my channel to get the latest and greatest information and tips you need to become a certified marketable medical coder. And don't forget to hit the bell for notifications of my weekly videos. Let's take a look at what's new in the integumentary and musculoskeletal systems. When you get a moment, pull out your CPT book and check out this information for yourself. Before I begin, let me ask if you are interested in the health information profession, specifically medical coding. If yes, are you interested in getting medical coding education and training? And are you interested in information regarding PRN's online medical coding course? Again, if the answer is yes, let me invite you to our first online live Q&A information session of the year on Saturday, February 27th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. To register, see details in the description box and check this out. Are you confused about all the medical coding programs, but unsure what to ask? Do you want to make sure you get everything you need to learn medical coding and become certified? Well, join me on the last Saturday of every month at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, where I will answer your burning questions regarding medical coding. Join our monthly medical coding course Q&A session. To join us, click the link to register. Can't wait to see you. There have been several revisions to parenthetical notes or parenthetical guidelines, as I affectionately call them. Most of the revised guidance, which is due to additions or deletions of codes. There is a revised parenthetical note following code 10012. This was due to the deletion of code 32405 and the addition of code 32408. We will discuss these codes when we look at the respiratory system. New guidance on the insertion, replacement, and removal of tissue expander codes due to revisions changing prosthesis to implant. The new guidance is for codes 11960, 11970, 11971, and 13160. The big area this year in integumentary is a complete overhaul of the guidelines for repair and or reconstruction of the breast subsection. All of the introductory guidelines have been changed. There are new, revised, and updated parenthetical guidelines all through the subsection. The following codes were revised: 19318, 19325, 19328, 19330, 19340, 19342, 19357, 19361, 19364, 19367 through 71, and 19380. These codes were revised by removing certain terms and replacing them with new ones. Reporting breast reconstruction to repair defects using various techniques are outlined in the revisions. The guidelines also states that both breasts can be reconstructed at the same time using different techniques and or a combination of techniques. Two codes, 19324 and 19366, were deleted, and three codes were converted. 19325 changed to a parent code, and 19367 and 19369 were changed to child codes. Moving on to the musculoskeletal system, a new introductory guideline is added in the endoscopy arthroscopy subsection that brings clarity for the use of arthroscopic removal of loose and or foreign bodies and how to appropriately report codes when the loose or foreign body is equal to or larger than the diameter of the arthroscopic cannula used for the procedure. The guidelines define size of loose bodies with the arthroscopic procedure codes. This revision was intended to differentiate between cases of loose and foreign body removal through a cannula and those requiring extra cannular removal. Codes 29822 and 29833 have been revised to specify the number of discrete structures debrided and to include a listing of anatomical examples. Also, part of the revision, the terms limited and extensive are replaced with a specific number of discrete structures. And a new parenthetical note has been added following code 29848 due to code 11960. I hope this information was helpful for you and you have found value. If so, please share this video link with your friends and others you know preparing for certification on your social media platforms. You have learned about the new changes in both the integumentary and musculoskeletal systems. You have also learned that these changes are fair game when sitting for your 2021 CPC and/or coding exam. And lastly, you have learned that I am hosting our first live Q&A information session for the year on February 27th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You'll get exclusive information on our coding course specials, and I'll answer your burning questions regarding our online medical coding course. Check the link in the description box to register. Question of the day: was this information helpful for you, and did you learn something that you can apply, whether you're taking an exam or not? Let me know your responses in the comments below. I'm Clarice Warner, the girl with the pearls, the founder and education director of the Professional Reimbursement Network, LLC, where coding education is key, providing you with information, tips, and strategies on how to become a certified marketable medical coder. And if you are interested in more information on these tips and others on how to become a certified marketable medical coder, well then check out these videos and check this out. Are you interested in medical coding but not sure where to start and scared of wasting time and resources? Let me help you with the right steps to become a certified marketable medical coder. Learn more at bit.ly/5stepscoder. If you liked the video, don't forget to let me know by hitting the thumbs up, hitting the subscribe button, and the notification bell so you are informed every week when I upload new content. I love hearing from you, so let me know you were here by asking a question, providing a comment, or just saying hi. You can also give me a little love by sharing this video on your social media platforms. Let's stay connected and connect others. Remember, be safe, be kind, and don't wish for it, work for it. Until next time, take care, and thanks so much for watching.